We are on to day 10 math now, which is a reteach. And if you look at the top section, it explains that you can use models when you're multiplying, and they're showing us some linking cubes here. It says there are different ways to find answers for multiplication exercises. One way is to use models to represent the exercise, and their example shows a model of linking cubes placed into 3 rows. 1 row, 2 rows, 3 rows. And each row has 4 cubes in it. So what we have here is 3 groups or 3 rows of 4 cubes. 3 is a factor telling us how many groups we have or how many rows we have. 4 is also a factor, and this one tells us how many are in each row or in each group. And then we have the total, which is 12, known as the product. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 linking cubes altogether. The answer or the product is 12. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go to numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4, where they've set it up using the linking cubes again. We've got, for number 1, 3 groups or 3 rows, and each row has 5 in it, 3 groups of 5. What they want you to do is they want you to say how much you have when you have 3 groups of 5, and then they want you to say that answer all over again when it's written as 3 times 5. They just want you guys to see that 3 groups of 5 is the same as 3 times 5. In fact, when you see the multiplication sign, a lot of times you can just say groups of in place of the times sign. But basically, the answer that you put here is the same answer you're putting here. And I'm not going to do any of these for you because you can see the answer just by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 is your answer. Or a faster way of doing that is count by 5s. 5, 10, 15. So your answer is 15 here. Your answer is 15 also here. So again, not going to write the answers down because they have them shown in the model. Again, number 2, same thing. You've got 4 groups of 3, 4 groups. Each one has 3 in it. Count the linking cubes, write the answer here, write the answer here. Same for number 3, same for number 4. Good luck. Post any questions that you have. Let me know how you're doing. Talk to you later.